If SketchUp is suddenly giving you an unknown error, don't panic. In many cases, this is caused by a corrupted file working directly from a cloud-synced folder or even a graphics driver problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to working without losing your project. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful SketchUp tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing to check is whether you have a backup file. When SketchUp saves a model, it often creates a backup with the .skb extension in the same folder as your main file. Open the folder where your model is stored and look for a file with the same name as your project, but ending in .skb. If you find it, make a copy of that file first so you have a safe backup. Then rename the copied file extension from .skb to .skp. Once that's done, try opening the renamed file in SketchUp. In many cases, this can recover your work if the main file has become damaged. Next, if your file is stored in Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or any other cloud synced location, move it to your local desktop or a folder on your computer before opening it. SketchUp can run into issues when it's trying to work directly from a cloud sync folder, especially if the file is still syncing or partially uploaded. A simple local copy often fixes strange loading problems and unexpected errors. So, before doing anything else, drag the file onto your desktop or into a local documents folder, then reopen it from there. If you see an error like unexpected file format, that usually points to file corruption. This can happen if SketchUp crashed while saving or if the file was interrupted during sync or transfer. In that case, try opening the backup file we just talked about. If the backup also fails, the model may be seriously damaged. You can also test whether the issue is with the file itself by opening a different SketchUp project. If other files open normally, then the problem is likely limited to that one model rather than your whole installation. Another useful fix is to purge unused data from the model. If your file is lagging, crashing, or throwing errors during export, too much unused geometry, materials, components, or styles can be part of the problem. To do this, go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, and click Purge Unused. This removes unnecessary items that are no longer being used in the project. It can reduce file size, improve performance, and sometimes clear up strange export behavior. After purging, save the file, close SketchUp, and reopen the model to see if the issue is gone. Now let's look at graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers are a common cause of rendering glitches, view problems, and unexplained SketchUp errors. If your graphics driver hasn't been updated in a while, go to the website for your graphics card manufacturer and install the latest driver for your system. Whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, updating the driver can make a big difference. After installing the update, restart your computer and open SketchUp again to test it. If none of those steps work, the next move is to reinstall or repair SketchUp. A clean installation can fix damaged program files, missing components, or update issues that might be causing the unknown error. If your installer offers a repair option, run that first. If not, uninstall SketchUp completely, restart your computer, and then reinstall the latest version from the official source. This is especially helpful if the error started after an update or after your system changed in some way. The key thing to remember is that SketchUp unknown errors usually come from one of a few places: the file, the location, the graphics driver, or the installation itself. By checking the backup file, moving the model locally, purging unused items, updating your GPU drivers, and repairing SketchUp, you can usually fix the issue without losing important work. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting tips, beginner tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.